Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. I am here with part 2 of lesson Ear to Ear. In part 1, we learned different animals have different kinds of ears. The animals whose ears we can see and about those animals whose ears we cannot see. Okay? Today, we will learn how to recognize animals by their skin. Okay? Children, you all have noticed that animals have different types of skin. Many animals, we are able to recognize them just by their skin patterns. Let's recognize animals by their skin. I told you many animals we are able to recognize them just by their skin patterns. Here in the picture you can see some skin patterns of the animals are given here and outline of the animals are also given. You have to match the skin patterns with the correct animals. You know, the reason for these different patterns are due to the hair on their skin. Children, one activity for you. This is very interesting. You have to complete it. Okay? Children, have you ever seen an animal without hair? Imagine how the animal would look if it does not have any hair on its skin. There would be no pattern or color. Most animals need hair for sun protection. But some animals like naked mole rats, which always live underground, have no fur because they don't need any protection from the sun. Children, let's discuss about the animals that lay eggs. Look at this picture carefully. You can see hen, lizard and peacock. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside do not have hair on their body. These animals lay eggs. Children, those animals that do not have ears on the outside do not have hair on their body. Okay? And these animals lay eggs. Birds have tiny holes on both sides of their heads which are covered with feathers. Let's see the animals that give birth to babies. Look at this picture carefully. Can you see their ears? Yes, we can see their ears outside. Those animals whose ears we can see have hair on their body. Yes, those animals whose ears we can see have hair on their body. And these animals give birth to the young ones. Okay? Children, let's see what are mammals. An animal of the type that give birth to babies. Example lion, tiger, etc. Mammals have fur or hair. Some mammals live underground. Most mammals care for their young ones. Okay? Friend, what you know about our national bird peacock? Yes, the peacock is the national bird of India. It is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty, and love. Peacocks are born with their fancy tail feathers. Understood? Children, nowadays our national animal tiger is classified as endangered. Endangered means in danger or disappear from the world. Let's see how can we save tiger in India. Don't encourage poaching. What's the meaning of poaching? Illegal hunting of animals. Ban the goods made of tiger skin. Protect our forest. People living near the forest need to be educated about the importance of tiger in terms of ecosystem. Donate money to tiger conservation organization. Why the number of tiger is going down in India? Due to several reasons, the number of this animal is going down in India. People hunt them down illegally for their bones and skin. Because of deforestation, the natural habitat for tigers are getting lost. Children, have you ever kept a pet? Animals kept by human beings as a source of companionship and pleasure. Let's see how to take care of our pets. We have to provide a protected and clean living environment. Feed a quality diet. Examined by a veterinarian on regular basis. Hope you understood everything about the birds, animals, their skin patterns, their ears, etc. Here I end the lesson. Okay? Hope you all understood. Take care. Bye.